Marriage. Cheryl and her boyfriend Justin just got engaged. Watch the video and see what they are going to do the days before their official wedding ceremony. Cheryl, I heard that Justin proposed to you last week, right? Yes, he did. Everything came so sudden that I was too surprised. I couldn't say a word, but in the end you said yes. Of course. We've been dating for years. I think it's about time I settle down and finally get married. Congratulations! You guys make a cute couple. Thank you so much, Katie. We are all going to be your bridesmaids, right? I'm so excited. I haven't been to any weddings for a long time. Obviously. I don't trust anyone enough to give them this position but you guys, so you should feel honored. Wow, I'm glad to hear that.
How did your two's families feel about this? They must be over the moon.
They really did. They were actually getting impatient. But we already promised to get married only when we feel stable enough. You know, financially and some other things.
Right. That way, life after marriage won't be as difficult or stressful. So tell us, how did he propose to you? Yes, we really want to hear. Justin is such a romantic guy.
Well, at first I thought it was a regular date. We had dinner at one of our favorite restaurants, then just hung around Times Square for a while. But then he took me back to NYU, where we first met.
Sounds like something Justin would do.
Yes, but can you believe at that moment I still didn't know why we were there?
No way, really?
Yes, but you can't blame me. He was too secretive. I couldn't figure out a thing.
All right, continue. What happened after that?
I was confused because the campus's garden was so dark. But then all the lights were up and I saw candles everywhere. We were standing inside of a heart made by rose petals. Then I heard a song playing and I realized it was one that he composed himself. Wait a second. He doesn't learn music. He also doesn't work in that field. Yet he made an entire song just to propose to you? Yes, I was surprised too. Anyway, after that he held my hand and just went on and on about how much I mean to him, how I changed his life, and how he doesn't find love in anyone else. Oh, how romantic. And then he just got down on one knee and popped the question. I didn't say anything at first because I was shocked. And right when he was about to stand up, afraid that I would reject him, I hugged him and said yes. It sounds like something came out of a movie. You are so lucky to have a man like him, Cheryl.
Yes, you guys better be happy for the rest of your life.
Thank you, Tiffany. Of course we will.
Let's start planning a bachelorette party for Cheryl, shall we? I'm glad that she specifically gave us this mission.
Yes, I'm so excited about this. We have to make this the best party ever for her.
Right. It has to be a beautiful memory for her before starting her family life.
So, let's decide on the location. Any ideas?
Cheryl doesn't like traveling that much, so how about we just stay here in New York? I suggest a pool party.
That sounds fun, but Cheryl said that she had always wanted to go to Cuba. Can we go there? It's just a short flight. I bet she won't mind.
But Justin told us that he wanted to take Cheryl to Cuba for their honeymoon, remember?
Oh, right, sorry, I completely forgot. Well, pool party it is then.
Great! My friend is the manager of an outdoor pool in a building near Central Park. I'll arrange things with him and give you guys the address later.
Wait, but what about the residents of the building? Some people might want to use the swimming pool. I don't want to bother them. It's only one evening, but still.
I guess we can start the party a bit late, probably after 8 then?
People won't be likely to go to the pool from that time.
That's a great idea.
Okay, I can go with that. Then you take care of the location, Mina. How many people should we invite?
I think Cheryl would want us to keep this somewhat private, so don't invite too many. Just several more of our mutual friends and people at her workplace that she's close with. Yeah, that sounds reasonable. A big party would easily get out of control.
What about food and drinks? I still think we should have some food there, although I know we would just drink the whole evening.
I think so too, but yes, it's best if we have food, just in case.
Then I'll order some pizza and sandwiches at Kat's Deli. It's Cheryl's favorite.
Cool, I like that restaurant too. I will also bring champagne and prepare some cocktails for us. Is that fine?
Absolutely. So, about the time.
Tiffany said we should start the party at past 8. Then is 8:30 okay? Or 9 if you want to. We would stay up all night anyway, I guess. So it doesn't have to be too early.
No, I think 8:30 is reasonable because we also need a while to prepare things. Okay, it's all done. Now each of us will handle our work separately.
Yes, let's try our best to make it an unforgettable night for Cheryl.
Darling, it's only 1 week left till the wedding.
I think we should check everything again, just to be sure.
Alright, where do you want to start?
Well, we already decided that the ceremony will be held at the local church. Did you confirm that?
Yes, the other day they called and it's all settled.
Perfect. What about the reception? I forgot to ask you about that.
It's going to be at the Manhattan Hotel. Unfortunately, the conference room doesn't have enough seats, so more tables are being added.
So we don't have to change the guest list anymore, right? I don't want to deal with it again. It gave me a terrible headache.
Don't worry, the list is already fine. I heard that your wedding dress needed to be fixed. Is that okay?
Yes, no problem. I expect them to be delivered by tomorrow. Then my mom will lay out the full outfit for me.
Oh, speaking about tomorrow, we are going to have a wedding rehearsal at 6.
Right, I almost forgot about that.
Oh my god, who knows a wedding needs this much preparation? It can be stressful. But I see you still got everything under control. You're an amazing organizer in my eyes.
Thank you, I'm flattered.
Anyway, this morning I just spoke to one of my friends, Chris. He owns a studio and he agreed to be the photographer for our wedding. Some of his employees will be there to help as well.
Really? Is it possible for him to make a video as well? That would be amazing.
I know you would want a video, so I told him that already. He will also take care of the editing, so you don't have to worry about that either.
Oh, you're so thoughtful.
Anything for you. Have you sent all the invitations?
Not yet. One of my bridesmaids, Tiffany, is doing a double check. But I already told her that I need them to be sent before tomorrow ends.
I see. So we're almost done, right?
Yes, things are going really well.